Burping 4. And I am here with my weird friend Brad.
Don't mention me. Do not mention. Oh my God! You video recording me.
Half your face.
Have your mom, bitch.
Will you stop? Oh my God. If you keep doing this, I'm gonna be pissed because I'm trying to make a video here.
Yes, I know. Stop talking to me, then.
You're the one who started it.
I'm the one who started. Oh, that was nasty.
I'm gonna break the world record, which was louder than the sonic boom.
A burp louder than the
Yeah. I have a long way to go. Yeah. I have some soda in my backpack, but I'm not gonna. Oh, that hurt. Oh, that majorly hurt. I'm in the school lunchroom, so if I drink a soda and I burp and everyone looks at me, then they'll see I have a soda and they'll think I'm just doing something stupid. Orange Crush. I have an Orange Crush in my backpack. But that will ruin it because I'm trying to test my limits that I can do without help. So.
He might throw up, so beware.
When I do this, when my hand goes low, I'm gonna burp low. When I lift this, I'm gonna go high. So let's try it.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Did you hear that? Now let's try again.
Wow, you're waving them away. That was weird. Old lady just walked out.
I'm out of gas, guys. Let's reload. Is it just weird that I actually just taste a piece of throw up right now?
Oh my good fucking God.
All the way in the back of my throat. At the bottom. And the esophagus. Preparing to launch.
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
He's threatening me, guys. You should call the cops when you see this video. His name's Bradley.
F you up Gantz if you call the cops.
What?
Bradley, F you up Gantz if you call the cops.
Bradley Gantz is his name. Call 911.
I said Gantz.
And tell him do not arrest Bradley Gantz. No, literally, do not call the police and say that because they will arrest you. So. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ow.
You're really weird.
Godzilla burp time.
Oh no. Don't make me go into Godzilla burp mode.
No. Godzilla burp mode.
You said Godzilla burp time, I said Godzilla burp mode.
Oh, I can't do it. I need.
You can't do what? What can't you do? You're a man.
Okay, time for the major shit-ass burp, guys. I'm going to call it Ultimate Burp 1. Breathe is the key. Without breath,
There is no life.
you messed up my style, man. Without breath, there's no life, and we cannot burp without life. Too early. Let's try this again.
hell are you doing?
My friend is crazy.
So much so that Miss Piggy actually invited my picture. Invited it. He wanted it.
Please tell me that I sound like a burping bitch.
Yes, you do, burping bitch.
No, it didn't work.
Ooh, why you gonna be so mean, dude? Like, seriously.
Go right behind it. Okay, guys, enough of the rapism and homosexuality. I don't even know what homosexuality is. Okay, yeah, I do. But I am not homosexual. In fact, I have a girlfriend.
Really?
I do. I asked her out, literally. Let's play. Time to reload.
It worked! It worked! Zinga! Oh, god damn it!
Okay, guys. This is the finale. Burping 4. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Oh, major! Okay, guys, you should watch my Slender Man videos and my amnesia demo video. So go to my channel and watch those videos. This is not my old. I have other videos besides this. So this is Burping. Watch my channel and leave comments at the bottom. Bye.